Okay guys, just a little update on the Mini. Unfortunately I haven't got to drive the Mini due to the brakes. The brakes keep sticking. Now I don't know whether it's the calipers or the bias valve. I don't know whether it's the bias valve or the actual calipers. Now the brakes do work, but after a few minutes of driving they do bind, so I just want to get that sorted before I drive the Mini and enjoy it. But what I want to do today is I want to actually start the car. That hasn't been started in a long time since I got it back home, so the battery is dead. So I'm just going to hook up the jump leads and start the Mini, and I want to clean out the boot also and give the inside of the car tidy because I will be doing the brakes very soon. So I just have to get the boot open in the Fiat because I'm nearly sure I left my leads in the boot, or maybe they are still in the box under the seat. I don't know. Let's have a look. There they are. Wow, it's an absolute mess. I just want to get rid of all that stuff out of the boot, and I need to figure out a way to connect this to the actual wall of the boot just to have it out of the way. Now I'll just let that run for a second. I'm just going to check the Mini and make sure that the oil is okay, even though I looked underneath and there's no oil on the floor. Always check it for oil before you start. So the battery's a bit flat, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get all of this crap that doesn't need to be in the boot out. Now that's a lot better. I will be revisiting the boot just to get it sorted. There's a few bits and pieces I need to do with it. Tidy up some wires, get them all loom taped up, get this sorted and fix that terminal as it is a bit loose, but it's looking a bit better. Right, let's give this another go. Now for a car that hasn't been started in over a month, started up straight away, a little charge, and sounds decent. Just going to get these leads off. Now, all the leads are put away. Now this needs to be tightened as it's very loose. Must have just loosened off as driving, as you can see. Few issues. This is rattling. It's just that, just the badge that's rattling. But that's it. So for anyone that is interested about the Mini, I will be doing a raffle. I don't really want to sell the Mini, but I need to fund future projects and future things that I want to do with the channel. So I will be raffling the Mini off. I'm going to be doing 150 tickets at €100 a ticket, and I'm going to do 10 tickets free. I'm going to do a 5 ticket giveaway on the YouTube on this video. So if you like and comment on this video, you will be added to the winners list if you do win. So I want to get at least 100 comments from each person. Don't one person do 10 comments, that won't work. So each individual that comments on this video will be entered into winning one of 5 tickets that I will be doing. Also, I will be doing a 5 ticket giveaway on my website. So every €20 that is spent on the website, you'll be put into a draw to win a €100 ticket for this car. So if you want a ticket, I will be putting a raffle up on the website. There will be 140 tickets on the website for the Mini raffle. I'm going to do 3 prizes. So first prize obviously gets the car. Second prize will get €1,000, and third prize will get €500. And I will be doing little prizes here and there, like the likes of 4th, 5th and 6th place will get a bit of merch, something nice as well. So if you are interested, definitely head over to the website, grab yourself a ticket or 2, and good luck to anyone who wins the car. There will be a lot of work done on the car before it is raffled off. Obviously I'm going to sort the brakes. I'm not happy with them. If I need to replace the calipers with new ones, I will. I'm going to replace that brake bias valve and the other little connector with new pipe. Well, all the pipes are new, so don't need to do that. The bias is the only thing I didn't replace on the Mini when I done the braking system, which was very silly of me. yeah guys, if you are interested, definitely hit this video up in the comment section. Make sure you comment on it. Just comment mini raffle if you want, or the mini looks great. Any comment, I will enter everyone into the competition. Very windy out here guys, don't mind the hair, growing it out for the crack, why not, it is Christmas. But definitely hit up the channel if you want to win this car, it is a good win.